might have come across a lot of videos on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, people running adverts, or even your friend preaching to you about benefits, or is it benefits? I'm sorry about that, guys. So people preaching about benefits. You see a lot of celebrity, all this content creator, a lot of influencer like Purple Speedy, and so many of them preaching about benefits. Sabinos them, oh my god, telling you about benefits, and oh my god, and to some person here they might have registered, and some person are eager to register. And I'm going to tell you my honest review about this platform. See, I'm not here to tell you join Benefix and do not join Benefix. Yeah, that's not why I'm here. I'm just here to share with you the pros and the cons of this platform that is not left for you to apply. It is not left for you to apply your number 6 and you know what you want, right? And could this be another trap? Because Christmas is very, very close. So then ask yourself this question: could this platform be another trap, or is it legit? Is it a scam? I'm not going to tell you if Benefit is a scam or if it's legit or if it's a trap. I'm not going to tell you that. I'm not going to tell you the things you need to know about this platform, and it's left for you to like venture into it. And if you think I'm lying, then it's fine. Please, I'm not begging you to watch. But trust me, if you watch this video to the very end without skipping any part of this video, you have a lot to learn from me. And in this channel, I will be bringing more updates like this whenever a platform comes out, and anything about money making, I'll be bringing it on this platform. You know why you don't need to miss out. So what you need to do is just to click on the subscribe button and turn the bell notification, so that whenever an update about making money actually comes up, you will already be updated, so that you will not end up giving your money to people to use and eat ever. See, things are very, very expensive. So subscribe and turn the bell notification. Then let's think about it. What is benefit? Is it benefits or is it benefits? What is this benefits? What are they into? Okay, benefits platform in a nutshell pays you for watching videos, for playing games, and also pays you for completing a task. And you need a sum of 7,000 naira to register for this platform. I don't know for other country, but in Nigeria that I am from, you need a sum of 7,000 naira to actually register on this platform. So I'm going to tell you, after knowing what benefit is all about, what are the ways you can actually make money on this platform? We have 4 various ways of making money on this platform. Number 1 is watching of videos. Okay, benefit pays you $1.5 by watching video, but trust me, this earning might also be limited, so you need to be very careful about that. But benefit pays you $1.5 by watching each video. That is number 1 way of making money on this platform. Another way of making money on this platform is by actually playing games. Okay, all these betting games, you can play games and you earn money. All right, so after that being said, the third way of making money on this platform is by completing a task. Okay, the task might be to follow somebody on social media platform like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. That could be your task. The task might also be for you to actually join a WhatsApp group. That could be the task. The task could also be for you. There are so many tasks that you can do in order for you to like earn money. And the last way, like this is the easiest way that people are actually cashing out, is through referral. And what does this referral mean? Referral is that I paid money to someone and someone registered me, and I will now convince you, yeah, because I need to like make my money back, right? So I'm going to convince you to also come and pay money to me. I'm going to tell you all those sweet things. I'm going to tell you the benefit of this platform, even if I know that it will not favor you in the long run. But I'm not going to tell you all those sweet words, giving you a discount so that you can actually come and pay your money, so that I can make my money, even if I do not get anything from it. At least let me make my money out of it first. I don't wash my hand komoto. That is fairer. You understand? So after that being said, what are the pros and the cons of these platforms? So I'm going to tell you the pros and the cons of this platform. Okay, the pros of this platform is that you are going to make your money fine. Do you know how you are going to make your money? If you're actually good at referring, if you are good at convincing me to bring out my 7,000 and give it to you in order for you to like register, you are going to make your money, right? So if you are good at doing that, trust me, you are going to make your money times 2. That's why you see before the platform is actually being launched, people have already made 600,000. By the end of the day or before the platform finally be launched, the person has climbed up to 1 million naira. See, let me tell you, it works. Yeah, it's not by magic, because these people that have been in the system for the past few years, and you cannot even compete with them. So to some person, they'll be like, it's a lie, I'm still struggling, there are no person for me to refer. Let me tell you, this person, only the indirect referrals that they got from their downlines is enough for them to like get to that high, because some of them, they might even got indirect referral 500,000 from their downline, and tell me why they will not get to that or threshold, or tell me why they will not make that amount of money. If you are good at referral, the platform favors you. But these are the cons of this platform. If you are not good at referral, see all the stacks you are doing, I'm not going to tell you that it's bad. I'm not going to tell you they will not pay you. I'm not here to tell you that. But let me just tell you the real truth about it, because I've did click sense. Before you see me stop doing that, there are some reasons, or there are some reasons attached to it before I say, oh, I don't want to be promoting this. Is this what I'll be doing all my life? Trust me, people are doing it and they are seeing real money. But to me, it doesn't, like, it worked for me, right? I used to make my money times five, seven. What is that? It's small. I know on a platform that was run in the day of launch, I made 60,000. I did not run adverts. I was still learning. I was still coming up. By now, I would have become a pro. But I stopped doing all of those stuff because how about these people that I took into this business? How about them? Because at some point in time, I didn't really care about myself. I was making my money, right? But how about them? Have they made their money? No. At the end of the day, that money will still choke me. Why? Because I promised them that even if you cannot refer at the end of the month or so time in the month, 25th or 15th of every month, you will get paid for completing your task. Imagine you have been burning your data every single day, trying to chat up with me. There's no network in order for you to like complete your task for the day. And when you know that the remaining days to get to maybe 30 days is already there for you to like complete your time in order for you to get paid. And you do all of those stuff like that. And at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you did not get paid. Does it sound okay? No, it doesn't sound okay. And my coach used to blame me. Sometimes you feel like, oh, if the money I've even earned from this platform could even be enough for me to like start paying these people, then I will do it. Because if they actually go and pray for you, it will hold you. Because you don't know how, you don't know the kind of sweat that this person went through to make this money. Or this person probably might be a student that is trying to survive. And I say, okay, now investing in this kind of platform will be a way for me to like make some money to myself. And the person come and register, and at the end of the day, I promise you heaven and earth, because I don't need that my referral money. I don't need to like chop my own money. And at the end of the day, you don't get anything. See, if you're not good at referral, leave Benefix for people that can refer. That is the only thing I'm going to tell you. I will not tell you stop doing Benefix. If you are not good at referring, please leave this platform for people that have strength, that have the energy to refer. Because if you are not opportune to like register among the top 10 earners, even if you are opportune self, when they still add them for a slot, they will still give them. Imagine when you are registered over 100%, and the CEO of the platform will not tell you bring 20% from among all the persons you registered, and among that 20%, you now have up to how many downlines, like how many downlines? The downline I'm talking about is people that actually like you referred and they now decide to refer that person. Those are your downline, because they will still ask you to give them slot. Then how will you now be sharing the slot? I was into this. I did ClickSense, I did Smart Gold, I did Prime Share, I did Lux Gold, I did Vista Log, I did like 5 platforms. They are still the same thing. I'm going to tell you the truth. You can monetize yourself, social media platform, you can for where it's a lie. Anyway, I'm not here to discourage you, but I'm just telling you my honest review about this platform, the pros and the cons, how you can make your money, how you cannot make your money, the things you do. See, any platform that asks you to chat me on WhatsApp to get a coupon code, run away from it. It's a lie. It's a scam. People are making their money. That's why I say, if you are not like, if you don't have strength for referral, like if you cannot refer, please run for your life, because definitely you're not going to make anything out of it. You keep on spending your data, keep on spending your time. At the long run, you're not going to make shishi out of it. Before you see me venturing into creating content, there are so many reasons to it. Because I needed something to like give me, I needed something I can do to give me extra source of income when my salary is not there. But I was not asking myself a question: is this the kind of thing I will be doing in order for me to like keep now? No, nah. It doesn't make sense, because I have a conscience. Oh, I have conscience. It's always hurting me. Even when I finish doing smart goal, sorry, even when I finish doing ClickSend, and I promised myself I would not venture into another platform, but I still going to, because I was those small money meant a lot to me. I even invited my brother. My brother even registered under me, because he has been seeing the alert I used to post on my status. Maybe sometimes when people cash out, I'll post it, because I actually registered my brother on ClickSend, and they paid him. It was 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira, something like that. So he now say, okay, sister, I will do it. And my other brother, for that matter, he now paid the money to me for smart goal. You could imagine someone that has been doing tax. You know what about this withdrawal or for tax? They allow you to place the withdrawal, but tell me if you are going to get that money to your bank account. Although possible, it's not possible. So you are not going to get that money. You place a withdrawal, and you see that the money has been debited, and you see that the withdrawal has been placed successfully. Where to receive the money? That is when the system will have glitches. That is when there will be a network glitches. But when these referrals are actually cashing out their money, 1 point something million. But me, I used to ask myself question: instead of you guys focusing on, if you refer 500 person, they have iPhone 15 Pro Max for you. If you refer 1 million person, they have maybe smart TV, all those expensive stuff like that for you. So why can't you? I'm not even seeing any CEO that has sense. Why can't you just use this money and pay these people for their tax? Because let me tell you, all those social media platforms that you actually join, that you actually go and follow, that you actually join, they have paid them for that. They are actually running adverts with them. They have paid them for it. I remember when I did ClickSense. Sorry, I remember when I did Smart Gold. I was still promoting ClickSense. Then Smart Gold was about to launch. I now paid money to the CEO of Silver Gold to run advert for me. What is this advert? I just gave him my WhatsApp link, my WhatsApp group links, because I actually opened 2 WhatsApp group links for it. I gave it to him. They posted it on the platform, because the moment you click on the link, it will redirect you to my WhatsApp. That is your task for the day. Guess how much I paid? Depending, there are some person that spend 100,000 just to run adverts for all this business that you're seeing. You are just seeing the cash out. You don't know, some of them have lose money, some of them have lose money to make money. If you can take that risk of losing money to make money, then it's fine. You can actually run Facebook advert. Excuse me, we are not good in running Facebook advert. You pay anyone to run the advert for you, or you pay another platform to run advert for you to promote another platform. Maybe let's say if Anchor, I don't know if Anchor is still on right now. If Anchor is still on, you can actually pay the CEO of Anchor money to run advert for you in order for you to promote Benefix. And you see, these people, it will not even be up to 24 hours. Those two groups will be filled. 1,000 and something, 1,000 and something person will fill the group. So that is that for that. So what is the final verdict? While Benefix has some potential ways in which you can earn money, there are some ways that you can, there's some risks attached to it. I need to be cautious, okay? If after watching this video, you want to venture into it, please, you can also do your own research. Like I said, I will not come and tell you, don't do Benefix, do Benefix. I will not tell you that. Please also make your own research, okay? Also make your own research. Any information I'm giving you on this app, go on Google, make your own research about it. If you think I'm lying, if you don't believe me, make your own research. I will still feel like I can do it, let me venture into it. It's fine, it's left for you. At least I'm not telling you that it's a scam. I'm not telling you that it's legit. I'm just telling you that you can make money if you are doing like this, or if you are doing like this, it will not be easy for you to make money. So let me know in the comment section if you have joined Benefix, and have you been paid? Yeah, have you been paid? Have you been paid? Let me know about that in the comment section. So guys, here's the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, drop me a comment. It's very, very important. Or you can also share your opinions about this Benefix. If you think I'm lying, or if you're still doubting what I say, please, your opinion matters a lot to me. I'm not going to block you. I'm going to reply to every comment you drop in the comment section. Please, it's very, very important. Do well to drop that for me, and I would love to see. Okay, if you are benefit, fine, you can drop a comment. If you don't, and you are, if you don't benefit, you can still drop a comment. And if you actually want to venture into it and you want me to advise you the more, if this video does not convince you enough, you can still drop a comment. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification so that you get updated whenever I bring a new video like this. Oh my god, bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.